Hello everyone, today I have a review of another knife from the Czech company, Mikov. This time it's a switchblade, model Predator, 241 RR1KP. In the set, a high quality black leather sheath with the snap, embossed company name Mikov, a belt loop, total length is 21.5 centimeters, blade length is 9.5 centimeters, blade thickness is 2.6 millimeters. The steel of the blade is RWL-34. It is a high quality Swedish powder stainless steel, tempered between 58-61 HRC, polished spear point blade. I like it. I love this false blade and file cuts here. The blade features Mikov company name, the inscription RWL-34. On the other, the inscription R1306, probably the serial number. This is a lever lock, so the fire button has a form of a lever. A buffalo horn handle scales. Stainless steel bolsters. The whole thing is rifted. In summary, the Predator model is the most iconic Mikov knife, on par with their pocket knives. To be honest, I was introduced to Mikov company about 20 years ago, thanks to this model. I remember it was the version with a polished 420 steel blade and black ABS handle scales with an image of a lion here. The Predator is available in many options, and 690 steel, 420 steel, Damascus with wood on the handle, ABS, rapier, bone, antler with a pocket clip. So the choice is quite wide. This is a more exclusive version. This RWL is amazing. The knife mechanics is excellent. The spring replacement process itself is quite interesting and takes only a moment. I won't show how to do it, especially there are some videos on YouTube showing how to do it. I love this magical sounds and clicks during opening. It's worth to mention that Predator model also appeared in the movie Casino Royale with Daniel Craig. There's no denying that this is a very original and interesting knife. It's beautiful. I would say it's my favorite switchblade. That's all, thanks for watching.